What's up, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday evening, Tuesday night. Hopefully, you guys get a lot of value out of this and it helps you do some wholesale deals, or maybe you learn a little something in the real estate that you didn't know before. What do you have in your mind right now that you guys would like to learn before you leave this room that would help you? Help you possibly do a deal, help you get better, help you something.
Scaling by not leads.
Scaling leads.
Being able to conquer the fear, like not having that much knowledge.
Okay.
Maybe that makes any sense.
So basically, not knowing what to do next, or am I getting that right?
Yeah.
Get to that stress homeowner that needs help.
How do you like find and get to them? Is that what you're
Yeah,
saying?
you just get that stress homeowner on the meeting of that.
For me, it would be like, I never buy a property from a wholesaler.
Okay.
So how's the process of the wholesaler selling me the contract?
Got
So
it.
I can get the property fixably.
Gotcha. Because you're used to just buying it yourself.
We usually buy ourselves, and I'm not familiar with the process. I don't want to get into some funny business with someone out there that I don't know how to.
Yeah.
I don't know how legit it is.
Right. That's an awesome.
Finding more buyers too.
Finding more buyers?
For
For
the
wholesale deals. Gotcha. Sometimes it could be 4 people per transaction. Hey, how's it going, man? So the reason I'm saying that is there's like a lot of opportunity for people to work together.
Strategy was he bought, he fixed one up, sell it over finance, and create his own comps. And he did that with 5 houses. He has 65, 70 houses in that radius. After 5 years, he turned around and sold everything to Blackstone, topped out.
Oh wow.
So he made a killing. And I'm here selling it. I'm thinking
Yeah,
he's
like-
buying everything. He bought a house with no floors and no roof. I'm thinking, what a sucker.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. They know, like, yo, this is the value. Yeah, you can sell it on the market, go sell it. They're not doing it for a reason. They're calling you. If an investor's smart and he gets your postcard and calls you for a reason, he's not dumb. He could just sell it himself. He could just put it on the market himself. But there's a reason, right? So that's like a misconception people have. Well, anyway, so we'll go there. This is a property in West Park, and this is on the second. This is the first or second? This is on the second hottest zip code in Broward County. An investor, and we wholesale the deal.
What's the zip code?
33023. 33023, something like that. West Park. You Google it. All right. We got this guy called us on this was a cold call actually. So this was one of our guys in our office that we have cold calling with the list. Called. He said, hey man, my name is John, and from We Buy Houses, we're buying houses in your area. Are you interested in selling? Yeah, sure. Check me out. Cool. Hey, when can we go see the property? Tomorrow, 3 p.m. Awesome. So we went to the appointment, and after a couple days of follow-up, things like that. Same shit. People, not everyone's into real estate. Right? Think about it. There's probably, 25 of us in here, and 2 million people in Miami. Like, not everybody's into real estate, investing, a realtor, whatever. So they need people like us to help them. Does that make sense? So what is wholesale? It's just like a pawn shop. People are trading. They want to get a cheaper price on their house, or they're willing to take a cheaper price on their house just for peace of mind. Cool, just take it off. Just close quick. Just do it cash. Just do this. Is it cool if I move later? Things like that. That's wholesale real estate. It's just solving a problem that gives people peace of mind. And the way we solve it is we become professionals at talking with them, solving their problem, and buying their house. Make sense? Everybody with me there? And this is like the formula of how to, this is a very obviously basic formula. Someone said it, what's the difference? This is the original formula, the OG. I'd like to use the other model now, but if you guys want to know, ARV, which is what are houses selling for retail? 70% minus repairs, minus profit equals offer amount. House is worth 100. Offer times 70%, 70K. Let's say it needs 10K, 60. I want to make 10K, 50K offer. You want me?
How does that compare to your cash offer price that you mentioned before?
It's like I said, it's pretty similar. So if we were to do this analysis with 10 properties and do the cash buyer analysis with 10 properties, we're probably going to roughly be at the same number. It's just a shortcut and more of like a guarantee. Because here's what happens. It's actually a really, really good question. And as you asked me, I kind of thought of it again. Here's the problem. The biggest challenges we see when we go to sell property and we don't sell it is this. The ARV, people argue the ARV, which is people argue the retail price, and people argue the repairs. Does everyone understand what I mean by that? Quick example. Hey, I think the house is worth 200. You tell me, no, man, it's worth 180. Now we're in an argument over this. We're not even in an argument over the deal. We're just in an argument over some opinions, right? You get 3 appraisers to do an appraisal on a house. All 3 of them are going to have different results. There's no black or white. That makes sense? So, and then repairs is another thing that buyers love to say, no, it needs 50. I think it needs 30. I think it needs 28. I don't want to argue with them. I just want to get them the good cash price that they're willing to buy that. So, to answer your question, roughly the same. Probably some slight variations depending, but it's really just a more, let's get to the bottom of it type of strategy.
And the percentage of ARV would vary by area.
By area, yeah. This is a very basic thing.
Yeah.
You know, I always say that Miami should be closer to 80, 82.